For number 2, we need to solve for x, which is a missing side of a right triangle and round to the nearest tenth. So if I look at my right triangle, I'm given at least 2 sides. Therefore, we should be using the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A and b are the legs of the right triangle, and c is always the hypotenuse. In this case, what's c? Well, it's always opposite the 90 degrees, so x is our c. So we're finding the hypotenuse, therefore it should be the largest side, bigger than the 6 and the 11, so obviously bigger than 11. So a and b do not matter which one you choose to be a or b because you're squaring those numbers and adding them together, and it doesn't matter the order, so I'm going to choose 6 as a and 11 as b. So plugging this into Pythagorean theorem, a squared, so 6 squared plus b squared, 11 squared is equal to hypotenuse squared, so x squared. So to solve for x, we just need to add the numbers on the left-hand side. So 6 squared is 36 plus 11 squared is 121, and that's equal to x squared. So combining these, 36 plus 121 is 157, and that's equal to x squared. And now x is really isolated. We just need to get rid of the power of 2 attached to the x. So the opposite of squaring something is square rooting. So if I type this into my calculator, the square root of 157 is not a perfect square. So I get 12.5. And I know that makes sense because it should have been bigger than the 11 since x is the hypotenuse.